Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft 3 Classic online. It's important to know that the official way to play online now involves the Reforged client, even if you prefer the classic graphics. We'll cover the steps to get your game ready and connected to the Battle.net service, ensuring you can join matches with other players. First, you'll need the Battle.net desktop application. If you own original Warcraft 3 CD keys, register them to your Blizzard account. Then, install the game through the application. You can choose to play with the classic graphics, which is a built-in option within the Reforged client, offering the familiar visual experience. Once installed, launch Warcraft 3 directly from the Battle.net application. You'll log in with your Blizzard account, which grants you access to the official online services. This integrated system makes connecting to multiplayer games straightforward, allowing you to quickly find opponents and friends for a match. Within the game, you can explore various online modes, including custom games and ranked ladder play. Join an open lobby or host your own match to challenge other players. For those seeking to play very old versions of Warcraft 3, third-party platforms like Game Ranger offer alternative online communities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.